Okay. So let us begin, students. Start with Khushi. Khushi. All of you keep your camera on. Please camera on कर लो. चल खुशी start करते हैं. Others,
Yes,
make
sir.
sure your audio is on mute while she is speaking. Start.
Ribosome are non-membranous structure. They are prokaryotes and eukaryotes are present. There is Svedberg's unit. There are large and small units. Eukaryotic, there is 80S ribosomes, which are of 60S and 40S. And in prokaryotes, there are 70S, which are divided into 50S and 30S ribosomes. Its function is to synthesize proteins by using messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and amino acids. Nucleus structure, there is outer membrane, nucleus structure, and inner membrane. When they together club, they are having nuclear pores. Inside the nucleus, there is nucleolus, and there is also nucleoplasm. Inside it, there is chromatin. Chromatin is of DNA are coiled around the octar of histone protein, which contains nucleoplasm, and the nucleoplasm further is condensed to chromatin fibers. The chromatin are of 4 types. When the chromatin in a chromosome is at a center, the type of chromatin is metacentric.
Wait. ये बोलना है when the centromere is at the center in chromosome. अब यहाँ पे chromatin नहीं बोलना है. Chromosome मतलब chromatin के भी ऊपर वाला stage हो गया. So you have to say chromosomes are of 4 types depending upon the positions of centromere. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Chal, continue.
There are 4 types of chromatins. When the centromere in a chromosome is at the center, the type of chromosome is metacentric. When the centromere in a chromosome is slightly away from center, it is submetacentric. When the centromere of in a chromosome is close to the terminal, it is arcocentric, and when the centromere in a chromosome is at the terminal end, it is called as telocentric.
Shabash. Next we will go to Rifaq. Chal Rifaq.
Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. They are present in both prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. There are 2 units, large unit and the small large subunit and the smaller subunit. The type of ribosome present in the eukaryotic cell is 80S. S defines the Svedberg's unit. It is named after the scientist who discovered or created it. The 80S is formed by 60S and 40S. The type of ribosome present in prokaryotic cell is 70S. 70S is formed by 50S and 30S. Ribosome, the mRNA is read by the ribosome to synthesize protein, and this process is known as translocation. Ribosome needs the help of tRNA, mRNA, and amino acids to synthesize the protein, which is known as translation. And after that, we come to nucleus. There are two membrane in the nucleus: outer membrane and inner membrane. Outer membrane and inner membrane.
Nuclear pore बता. Nuclear pore कैसे बनता है?
Nuclear pore, when the two membrane fuse with each other, there are gaps form in the nuclear membrane, which is known as nuclear pore. Inside the inner membrane, there is nucleoplasm, which contains the chromatin, and nucleolus. Chromatin is when we roll the thread-like DNA around the octamer of histone proteins. Further, it creates a chromatin, and when it is further coiled, it creates chromosomes. There are 4 types of chromosomes. The first one is metacentric. When the centromere is at the center of the chromosome, it is called as a metacentric chromosome. Then the second one is submetacentric. When the centromere is slightly away from the center, it is called as submetacentric chromosome. The third one is acrocentric. When the centromere of the chromosome is uh, towards the tip of the chromosome, it is called as acrocentric. And the fourth one is the telocentric. When the centromere is present at the end of the chromosome, it is called as telocentric chromosome.
Wow, I want everyone to switch on their audio. सब अपना ऑडियो ऑन करो, इसके लिए जरूर ताली बजाओ. इसने बहुत अच्छे से have that, each one of you. Well done, Rifaq. Shabash. Genuinely, it is a treat to listen to him. इतना मस्त वो बोलता है, और अगर आपने नोटिस किया ना, तो उसने सारी चीजों को सिस्टमैटिकली बोला. वो बहुत अच्छी बात है. एंड वो कैसा है, वो गिफ्टेड, वो किसी किसी को ही वो गिफ्ट होता है. तो वो बच्चे जिनको ये गिफ्ट मिल जाता है, उनमें से ये एक है कि जो चीजों को सुन के, ये देखो, ऑब्वियसली एवरी चाइल्ड इज डिफरेंट. तो कोई सुनने के बाद थोड़ा प्रोसेस करेगा उसको. मे बी किसी बच्चे को लगता है कि 1 दिन 2 दिन मैं पहले इसके पीछे आराम से दूं, रीड करूं, देन उसका जो आउटपुट होगा वो इससे भी बेटर होगा, रिफाक से भी बेटर होगा. पर रिफाक की खासियत क्या पता है, वो आराम से एकदम ठंडे दिमाग से खाली सुनता है. And then it is about to speak. When you have to speak, actually, then he starts speaking in a very nice. बहुत अच्छे चीजों को प्लेस करके properly systematic pattern में explain करता है. Very well done, Rifaq. शाबाश. Okay, let us go ahead, students. Next पे चलते हैं, चलो. So, एक second. So next content, next कौन बोल रहा है? नितिन रेडी था. चल नितिन, स्टार्ट करें.
Yes, sir. Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. Ribosome is made up of larger subunit and smaller subunit. Eukaryotic cell have 80S ribosome, which is made up of 60S larger unit and 40S smaller subunit, and prokaryotic has 70S unit, and it is made up of 50S plus 30S subunit. The function of ribosome is to synthesize proteins by using mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids, and this process is known as translation. Nucleus. Prokaryotic cell have no distinctive nuclear membrane. Eukaryotic cell have proper nuclear membrane, and both membrane fuses to form a gap, and that gap is known as nuclear pore. Both membrane together known as nuclear envelope, and inside nucleus there is nucleoplasm, and DNA is coiled around octamer of histone proteins, and nucleosome further condensed, further coiled, and it is known as chromatin. Chromatin further coiled and it forms chromosome. There are 4 types of chromosomes. If the centromere is in center, then it is known as metacentric, and if the centromere is slightly away from center, then it is known as submetacentric, and if centromere is towards the terminal, then it is known as acrocentric, and if the centromere is at the end, then it is known as telocentric.
Well done, Nitin. For a student जिसका ये first lecture है, उसने बहुत ही अच्छे से बोला है. Very well done, Nitin. शाबाश. Okay, next. Payal.
ribosomes. Ribosomes are double membranous structure. They are made up of two units, larger and smaller. The eukaryotic, uh, the eukaryotic cell, the ribosome which is present in eukaryotic is made up of ATS, and the ribosome which is present in prokaryotic is made up of 70S. The two
इसको ऐसे
subunits
नहीं
of
बोलने का पायल, ऐसे बोल कि यूकैरियोटिक सेल हैज ATS टाइप ऑफ राइबोसोम, प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल हैज 70S टाइप ऑफ राइबोसोम. समझा? ATS and 70S ये टाइप्स के नाम होते हैं. अच्छा, and one more thing, while she is speaking and while others are also speaking, I am expecting all of you to just stay ahead of them. जैसे अगर पायल एक्सप्लेन करिए राइबोसोम्स, तो आप भी साथ साथ में आंसर्स देते रहो, उसमें आपका भी रिवीजन होगा. खाली आराम से बैठ के सुनो मत उसको कि क्या बोल रही है, मस्त बोल रही है, राइबोसोम बहुत अच्छे से बोल देती है, अच्छा अच्छा पॉइंट्स बोल रही है, वो आपको नहीं करना है, आपको भी रिवीजन करना है उसके साथ. तो अब तक 3 जन ने ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है. आई होप आपका भी 3 बार रिवीजन करके हो गया है ना. जो जितने जन बोलते हैं आपका भी उतने बार हो जाना चाहिए बोल बोल के. जैसे आपका उतने बार हो गया, यू विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट, यू कैन रेज योर हैंड. अभी भी जिस इसको जो रेडी है, यू कैन कीप ऑन रेजिंग योर हैंड. ठीक है, चलो. यस पायल.
Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. They are present in eukaryotic as well as prokaryotic. They are made up of two units, larger and smaller. In eukaryotic has ATS type of ribosome, while the prokaryotic has 70S type of ribosome. ATS type of ribosome has two subunits, 50S and 40S, while the 70S type of ribosome has two units, 50S and 30S. The function of ribosome is to synthesize protein with the help of mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids. Nucleus. The nucleus present in eukaryotic cell has two membranes. The inner membrane, the region inside the inner membrane is known as nucleoplasm. When outer membrane and inner membrane starts fusing, it creates a gap called as nuclear pore. Inside the nucleoplasm, we have nucleolus, chromatin. DNA is coiled around a octamer of histone protein. The arrangement of DNA around the octamer of histone protein is known as nucleosome. Nucleosome is coiled further, which is known as chromatin. Chromosome. When the centromere is at the center of the chromosome, the type of chromosome is metacentric. When the centromere is slightly close to the center, the type of chromosome is submetacentric. When the chromosome is close to the apex of the chromosome, the type of chromosome is acrocentric. And when the chromosome is at the end of the it is known as telocentric type of chromosome.
Shabash, very well done, Payal. Next is Mansi. Mansi is also ready. तो Mansi बोलेगी. इसके बाद Sabika, you be ready. Sabika, can we hear me?
Start.
Just a second, ना Mansi. इसके बाद Sabika Qureshi, you have to say, and after Sabika Qureshi, we will go to Prashishti Oza, and then we have Mrunmai. तो ये 3 next हैं. So make sure आप लोग ready रहो. ठीक है. मानसी के बाद सबिका को बोलना है, सबिका के बाद प्रशिष्टि, एंड प्रशिष्टि के बाद मृण्मयी. यस मानसी.
Ribosomes. Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. It is present in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cells. Ribosomes are made up of two units, which is the largest unit, subunit, and the smaller subunit. In eukaryotic ribosomes are of ATS type, which consists of 60S plus 40S, whereas in prokaryotic it is of 70S types, which consists of 50S and plus 30S. The S represents the Swedberg's unit. Ribosomes help in synthesis of proteins by using mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids, which is known as translation. In this process, ribosome keeps on changing its position, which is called as translocation. The structure of nucleus. Nucleus has an outer nuclear membrane and an inner nuclear membrane. When these two membranes fuse, a nuclear pore is created, which is also called as germ pore. Inside this nuclear membrane, the space is called as nucleoplast, which consists of chromatins and nucleolus. These chromatins are made when the DNA is coiled around the octamer of histone proteins. These octamer is further coiled in chromatin fibers, which is further coiled in chromosomes. Chromosomes are mainly divided into 4 types. The metacentric type, when the centromere is exactly in the middle of the chromosomes, it is called as metacentric. When the centromere is slightly away from the center, it is called as submetacentric. When the centromere is slightly away from the tip or the end of the chromosome, it is called as acrocentric. And when the centromere is at the tip or end of the chromosome, it is called as telocentric.
Well done, शाबाश मानसी. Well done. Just a second. ये दोनों ने हाथ ऊपर किए हैं. साबिका का नेटवर्क प्रॉपर नहीं है, इसलिए she will not be speaking. We will go ahead with Prashishti Oza first, and then I'll come to Mrunmayee, उसके बाद निधि सिंह, उसके बाद नर्मदा. चल Prashishti start कर. Prashishti also has some issues. ठीक है, you can mute your audio. Prashishti, you can mute your audio. Mrunmayee, please start.
Yes, sir. Ribosome is a non-membranous structure. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Please continue.
Ribosome is a non-membranous structure. Ribosome is present both in prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. Is present in both in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell. Ribosome has ATS type of ATF type, whereas in prokaryotic there is 70S type. ATS consists of 60S and 40S, whereas 70S consists of 30 and 50. Ribosome helps in synthesis of protein with the help of mRNA, tRNA and amino acids. Ribosome is made up of 2 subunits, larger subunit and smaller subunit. Nucleus is a 2 membranous structure. There is a gap between 2 membrane, which is known as the gap between 2 membrane is known as nuclear pore. When the 2 membrane fuses, the gap is created. The inside part in the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Then chromatins. DNA is coiled around octamer of histone proteins, which are further condensed into chromatins, and if further content, chromosomes are formed. The both inner membrane and outer membrane of nucleus are known as a nuclear envelope. There are 4 types of chromosomes. When centromere of a chromosome is in the center, it is known as metacentric. When it is slightly away from the center, it is known as submetacentric. When it is towards the end or just away from the tip, it is known as acrocentric. When it's at the end or a tip, it is known as telocentric.
Shabash, very well done. Very well done. Next would be Nidhi. Nidhi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चल start. If in case आप लोगों को बोलते वक्त issue हो रहा है, suppose network issue हो रहा है, तो you can switch off your camera also. अगर camera on करके कोई problem नहीं है, then go ahead with camera on. अगर कुछ problem आया तो you can switch off your camera. Okay, so Nidhi, start.
Ribosome is a non-membranous structure. It is present in eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell. Ribosomes are made up of smaller and larger subunits. The eukaryotic cell has 80S type of ribosomes and prokaryotic cell has 70S type of ribosomes. The two subunits of eukaryotic cell are 60S and 40S. The two subunits of eukaryotic cell are 50S and 30S. Ribosome reads mRNA. This process is called translation. Its function is to synthesize proteins with the help of mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids. Next is nucleus. The nucleus in eukaryotic cell has inner membrane and outer membrane. When both the membranes are fused together, a gap is formed which is called nuclear pore. The space inside the inner membrane is called nucleoplasm. Inside the nucleoplasm, we have nucleolus and chromatin. DNA is coiled around octamer of histone proteins, which is called nucleosome. Nucleosome is further coiled to form chromatin. Chromatin is further coiled to form chromosome. Chromosomes are of 4 types depending on the position of centromere. When centromere in a chromosome is at center, the type of chromosome is metacentric. When the centromere in a chromosome is slightly away from the center, it is called submetacentric. When centromere in a chromosome is close from the tip, it is called acrocentric. When centromere in a chromosome is at the tip, it is called telocentric.
Very good. Well done. Well done. Well done, Nidhi. I could see 2-3 students, 2-3 students का कैमरा ऑन है और मैं उनको देख सक रहा था कि वो लोग निधि के साथ साथ रिपीट कर रहे थे. ठीक है. One of them was साधना. Well done साधना. ऐसे रिपीट करते रहेगी तो तेरा और रिवीजन होता रहेगा. ठीक है. Very good. चलो नेक्स्ट इज नर्मदा. नर्मदा के बाद we have Noshin. नर्मदा के बाद we have Noshin also. And then let us see who else is ready. You can raise your hands to it. Khushi is also ready. Very good, Khushi. चल नर्मदा स्टार्ट करते हैं.
Yes, sir. The ribosome is a non-membranous structure. It is present in both prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In eukaryotic cell, the type of ribosome that is present is 80S. It is formed with 60S and 40S subunit. The type of ribosome that is present in prokaryotic cell is 70S. It is formed from 50S and 30S subunit. The function of ribosome is to the function of ribosome is to synthesize protein with the help of tRNA, mRNA, and amino acid. The second is nucleus. The nucleus is formed from 2 layers, that is outer layer and inner layer. They together is called nuclear. Inside the nucleus, there is nucleoplasm. The nucleoplasm contains the chromatin and nucleolus. The chromatin is formed by the octaves of the thread-like structure of DNA, which is formed by the octaves of hostile protein.
DNA is coiled around octamer of histone. ऐसे बोलो. ठीक है.
DNA is coiled around the octanals of histone proteins to form the
शाबाश.
chromatin. The chromatin is further coiled up to form the chromosome. The chromosomes are of 4 types. When the centromere is at the center, it is called the metacentric. When the chromosome is slightly away from the center, it is called submetacentric. When the centromere is toward the end, it is called the acrocentric. When the centromere is at the end, at the tip, it is called the telocentric.
Very well done नर्मदा. एकदम बुलेट ट्रेन की तरह बोला. धनाधन 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 धनाधन. Well done. शाबाश. Next will be Noshin. Noshin generally बहुत अच्छा बोलती है, तो I request all of you to please listen to her very nicely. इसके terms जो terminologies होती हैं वो भी बहुत proper use करती है वो. Must listen to all of you. So start Noshin. You can begin.
Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. Ribosomes are present in both eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Ribosomes are made up of larger and smaller subunit. Type of ribosome present in eukaryotic cell is 80S, while in prokaryotic cell it is 70S. S defines the Svedberg's unit. Uh, the two subunit of 80S ribosomes are 60S and 40S, while that of 70S ribosomes are 50S and 30S. mRNA is read by ribosomes to synthesize protein. This is known as translocation. The main function of ribosome is to synthesize proteins by using mRNA, tRNA.
Noshin, just a second. Again, define कर वापस से translocation. Please define translocation again.
mRNA is read by ribosomes to synthesize protein. This
Nahi.
is known as
No, that is known as translation. The process of movement of ribosome, the process of shifting of ribosome on mRNA, that is translocation. In the word also you can see location. So location is changing. समझ में आया? When ribosome shifts on the mRNA, that is translocation. Process of making protein is known as translation. Clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
चल,
sir.
आगे continue.
The main function of ribosome is to synthesize proteins by using mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids with the help of translation. Nucleus. Eukaryotic cells have a well-defined proper nuclear membrane. Prokaryotic cells do not have a proper nuclear membrane. The space inside nuclear membrane is known as nucleoplasm. At many points, both the membranes get fused and gaps develop. This gap is known as nuclear pore. Nuclear membrane get fused to make nuclear pore. Both the membrane together are known as nuclear envelope. The region inside nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Nucleolus is present inside the nucleoplasm. Chromatin is scattered in the nucleus. DNA is coiled around octamer of histone proteins. Nucleosome further coiled becomes chromatin. Chromatin further coiled becomes chromosome. Chromosomes are of 4 types. When centromere in a chromosome is at the center, then the chromosome is of metacentric. When the centromere in a chromosome is slightly away, it is known as submetacentric. When the centromere in a chromosome is towards the terminal, it is acrocentric. Whereas when the centromere is at the tip, it is known as telocentric.
Then Noshin, I would like to take you into a step in detail with regards to nucleosome वाला content. So तुझे क्या बोलना है? DNA is coiled around histone octamer या octamer of histone, which you said correctly, to give a structure which is known as nucleosome. Understood? So what is nucleosome? DNA plus octamer of histone. That is nucleosome. Understood? So a stage where I have DNA coiled around coiled around histone octamer at regular intervals. This stage is known as nucleosome. When I start further coiling nucleosome, then I go to the next stage, which is chromatin. Clear?
Yes, sir.
It's very well said. Well done, Noshin. Next is Khushi भी ready है, Sara is also ready, and Riya is also ready. Very good. शाबाश. हर एक जन जब बोल के खत्म हो रहा है तो बदले में और दो जन के हाथ ऊपर आ रहे हैं, which is so good to see. I hope बाकी लोग भी अभी कॉन्फिडेंस आपको आ रहा है. जैसे से आपको कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है, you have to raise your hand and बोल डालो. कोई टेंशन मत लो. समझ में आया? जितना भी आता है बोल देने का. So उसमें आपका रेक्टिफिकेशन हो जाएगा, आपकी चेंजेस हो जाएंगे, करेक्शंस हो जाएगा. एक बार आपने बोल दिया तो आपको अच्छा लगेगा कि हाँ, I can speak in front of everyone. सबके सामने आप बोल सकते हो, इतना आपको तसल्ली मिलता है. ठीक है? And I request all of you to please switch on your camera. चलो, खुशी स्टार्ट करें. खुशी, हाँ चल, फाइनली she is very worried. देखो, तो जैसे कि टेंशन ले रही है. बाप रे, पंखा बंद है. खुशी, पंखा का चालू कर ले, थोड़ा रिलैक्स हो जा. ये तो टेंशन में ऐसा लग रहा है कहीं जंप मारने जा रही है, जैसे टावर से ऊपर बिल्डिंग से जंप मारने जा रही है, वैसा टेंशन ले रही है. ओह ठीक है, आई एम रेडी. चल स्टार्ट जल्दी.
Ribosome. Ribosome is a non-membranous structure. Ribosome is present in eukaryotic cells as well as prokaryotic cells. Then eukaryotic cell has eukaryotic cell is has subtype 80S and it is made up of 60S plus 60S and 40S, and prokaryotic cell has subunit 70S and it is made up of 50S and 30S.
हाँ खुशी आगे। ओके जरूर 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 मेरे क्वेश्चंस का आंसर दे, ठीक है। अच्छा मुझे ये बता, राइबोसोम कौन से सेल में प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, यूकैरियोटिक एज वेल एज प्रोकैरियोटिक या किसी एक?
दोनों में।
दोनों, ओके। टेल मी द नेम ऑफ द प्रोसेस बाय व्हिच राइबोसोम्स सिंथेसाइज प्रोटीन।
Translation.
Translation, very good. Tell me the name of the step by which ribosomes shift on mRNA.
Translocation.
Translocation. Ribosomes carry out protein synthesis with the help of dash, dash, and dash.
By mRNA, tRNA, and amino acids.
Very good. By the way, you all must know that ribosomes खुद बने हुए हैं by the help of rRNA. Ribosomal RNA के बारे में आपने पढ़ा होगा ना 10th में, तो उन्हीं से बनता है राइबोसोम्स, ठीक है। ओके आगे चलते हैं। टेल मी अबाउट न्यूक्लियस, हाउ मेनी मेम्ब्रेन्स न्यूक्लियस हैज?
2 membranes, one is outer membrane and inner membrane.
शाबाश शाबाश। नौशीन वाज द ओनली स्टूडेंट हु सेड, उसने डिफरेंशिएट किया, खाली वही स्टूडेंट जिसने डिफरेंशिएट किया कि nuclear membrane is distinctively present in eukaryotic which is not present in prokaryotic, and then she came to the nuclear membrane के structures। चल न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन में जो इनर मेम्ब्रेन है उसके अंदर का स्पेस अपन क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
न्यूक्लियोइड।
जैसे सेल के अंदर के स्पेस को तू क्या बोलती है? सेल के अंदर जो रीजन है उसको क्या बोलते हैं अपन?
साइटोप्लाज्म।
वेरी गुड। सो न्यूक्लियस के अंदर जो उसको क्या बोलेंगे?
न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म।
न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, वेरी गुड। न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म के अंदर मुझे क्या क्या दिखता है, कौन से दो स्ट्रक्चर्स मुझे नजर आते हैं न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म के अंदर?
एक क्रोमैटिन होता है और एक न्यूक्लियस होता है।
न्यूक्लियोलस, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट, क्रोमैटिन कैसे बनता है? डीएनए से स्टार्ट कर। डीएनए किसके अराउंड अपन घुमाते हैं? डीएनए को किसके अराउंड घुमाते हैं?
ऑक्टेमर ऑफ हिस्टोन प्रोटीन।
शाबाश, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड। सो ये जो ऑक्टेमर ऑफ हिस्टोन के अराउंड मैंने घुमाया, ऐसे घुमा घुमा के जो नेकलेस रेडी हुआ, नेकलेस, इस नेकलेस को क्या बोलते हैं?
न्यूक्लियोसोम बोलते हैं।
न्यूक्लियोसोम, वेरी गुड। न्यूक्लियोसोम फर्दर जब कॉइल कर देंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा?
क्रोमैटिन।
क्रोमैटिन, शाबाश। नेक्स्ट, टेल मी टाइप्स ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स बेस्ड ऑन द पोजीशन ऑफ सेंट्रोमियर।
Then there are 4 types of chromosomes. When centromere in a chromosome at center, the type of chromosome is metacentric. Then when the centromere in the chromosome is slightly away from center, it is called as submetacentric. Then when the chromosome is slightly towards the terminal, it is called as acrocentric. And when the centromere is at the tip or terminal, is called as telocentric.
वेरी गुड, क्या बात है खुशी, वेल डन। वेल डन वेल डन। नेक्स्ट इज सारा। चलो स्टार्ट सर।
Ribosomes. Ribosomes are non-membranous structure. They are present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Ribosome has 2 subunits, larger subunit and smaller subunit. The ribosome in eukaryotic cell, ribosomes are of 80S type. 80S type, 60S is larger subunit and 40S is smaller subunit. S stands for Svedberg's unit. Prokaryotic has 70S type of ribosomes. 50S is the larger one and 30S is the smaller one. Ribosome reads mRNA, and the process of shifting of ribosome is known as translocation. mRNA is present between smaller and larger subunit. Yeah, and ribosome's function is to synthesize protein by using mRNA, messenger RNA, tRNA, transfer RNA, and amino acids. Then nucleus. Nucleus is a two membranous structure, outer membrane and inner membrane. The region inside inner membrane, inner membrane is called as nucleoplasm. When the membranes are together, a gap, and that gap is known as nuclear pore or germ pore. When both membranes are together, called as nuclear envelope. DNA. DNA is a thread.
वीडियो
Yes, sir.
वीडियो ऑफ कर ले, वीडियो ऑफ कर दे.
Okay, sir.
हाँ, अब बोल.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. DNA is a thread-like structure. It is coiled around octamer of histone protein, and then coiling. When it is coiled, we get nucleosome. If nucleosome is further coiled or condensed, we get chromatin, and if further coiled, we'll get chromosomes. Chromosomes are divided into 4 parts. That is, when the centromere in a chromosome is at the center, the type of chromosome is known as metacentric. And when the centromere is slightly away, we get submetacentric. And when it is towards the terminal or tip, it is known as acrocentric. When the centromere is at the end or the tip, it is known as telocentric.
Well done, shabash. Now, probably the last candidate, Sadhna is ready. So Sadhna को अपन पूछेंगे एक. Sadhna के बाद, now I want to see how many of you can revise entire chapter done up till now. So you can revise your notes quickly. आप अपने notes को देख लो एक बार. And then we will begin with complete chapter का revision. ठीक है, सारे chapter का revision. अब तक हमने जितना भी cover किया है पूरा, I want to see how many of you can revise that. Obviously, जैसे ही 2-3 बच्चे revision कर लेंगे तो बाकी लोगों को भी जो newcomers है, maybe they will also feel the confidence कि हाँ मुझे भी अभी content आ गया. You people can also speak, no problem with that. Okay, only 1 minute remaining. साधना, तो मैं नया session start करता हूँ, उसमें अपन start करेंगे तेरे साथ. ठीक है? Okay, साधना. ठीक है, join me again students quickly. Join me again.